Hi, I'm David, and I'm a shingle roofer. I work on houses that a lot of times have these boots that dry rot. The rubber around the top of the boot dry rots, and they wear out. I'll show you one right here that has a pipe going through it. So this is a smaller pipe right here, a 2-inch pipe. This one right here is for a 3-inch pipe. And what happens is this rubber right here wears out around the pipe, and then water goes down into your attic, eventually gets to the sheetrock, and then causes a leak inside. People call me. But I've been fixing these now for about 10 years. I have a way to fix these that you can do yourself just by using these gaskets that I've found, and I'm a reseller of these, along with the sealant that I use to glue these onto these boots. As you can tell, this right here will cover that boot nicely if you slide it down the pipe. I'll show you where I put the sealant on here to make it work. I take this sealant and squirt a bead of this around this edge of the rubber where it connects to the hard piece of plastic, and get it on there pretty good, maybe the size of your pinky finger. And this product, by the way, is Master Seal NP1. It turns into something like rubber when it dries, so it dries really well for this rubber product to sit down on top of this boot. And then once it's glued on there, you know, when it rains, water comes down your roof, it will prevent water from splashing up and getting into that old part of your boot right there. And that'll make a watertight fix for you. One thing I would like to show you about these old boots that you need to be careful of when you fix your own is that these nails, if they're too close to the edge, can get loose because water gets underneath the edge of this somehow when it rains and makes these nails loose. And what you need to do is actually pull the nails out, get rid of those nails, and use a shorter nail, maybe 1 1/4 inch roofing nail, and put it more like right here, not so close to the edge. Here, maybe one in the middle if you want, another one over here just to keep it a little bit snug to the roof so that water can't get to it, you know, from rolling down the roof. And definitely don't put any caulking like this person. I don't know who did this, but putting caulking across the bottom is just going to help trap water and cause a leak even sooner. This right here is a smaller boot that I sell as well. It's for the smaller pipes, like this 2-inch and a 1 1/2 inch pipe. And what you need to do to use this is just take a sharp object, score it a little bit right there, and then pull out that insert for the 2-inch pipe. You don't need to do anything for the 1-inch pipe or 1 1/2 inch pipe. I found these on the market, you know, which are a little bit cheaper, but they are not near as thick and they're not as big. And you want boots that are bigger because, especially on these bigger pipes where a 3-inch was on there, if you try to put one of those small ones on here, it's not going to really cover the rubber very well at all. These bigger ones cover much better. They're simple to use. I've been using them now for probably 10 years, close to it, and I get no callbacks from these things wearing out. This is heavy duty rubber. UV, I'm sure, protected. I am a reseller. I can package these for you along with a tube of this sealant. If you want to buy both, I can ship them directly to your house, so you'll have everything you need. I use maybe 1 1/2 inch roofing nails. I wouldn't use long ones. The shorter ones are fine. 1 1/4 inch is fine is what I use. Thank you.